Namaste, all my dear students, parents, and colleagues. Today I am showing you about one software that is for coding and especially for kids. That software is Pictoblox. It is a blocks based coding software and especially for small kids they can understand uh, basic concept of the programming with joy. This having some blocks and you have to drag and drop and then make some changes if it is required, and then you can prepare your program. Basically, as you know, nowadays students of class thirds started learning AI, and many schools they are teaching AI from class third onwards. Even basic criteria some schools started given from class first even. So Stempedia is one organization which prepare these Pictoblocks for teaching basic concept of AI. It is also providing one toolkit, but for basic programming, without toolkits, how we can learn basic concept of the programming that I am going to show you. So before starting that, we have to learn how to download and start this software. So first of all, we have to search that Pictoblox download. Whenever you will click, see if you are using any Android based device, then you can use this Google Play Store. And if you are using any operating system such Windows or Linux, then you can use this one. That is the website which is given. It is visualized on your screen, Stempedia. Just you have to double click on this one. Then Stempedia website will display in front of you. And then you have to as per your requirement, which kind of operating system do you have. Suppose I have 64-bit and I want to download this one latest version, then I will click on this one. Now it is asking some information, but it is not compulsory to fill. Just you have to click on no thanks, just I want to download, and then it will start downloading. See, because I already downloaded this software, that's why I am not going to further continue this one. But for you, whenever downloading will be over, this software will display in front of you like this. Just I open this software and I'm showing you how to down this installed. So just you have to double click on this. Again, I already installed into this my laptop, so it is not required to do again and again. Okay, whenever you will click on this, then it will start downloading and it will show you icon like this on your screen. Just double click on this one. Maybe very first time it will take some time. Okay, otherwise it will display in front of you like this, and you can open new, and then it will display this kind of screen in front of you. These both options are available for Pictoblox Coding, and this is for the Python coding. This STEM period, they given this software for the 4 plus age category. This is known as junior blocks, and this is blocks, and these are for the higher classes. Age limit, it is showing 12 plus. Okay, it is for Python and Python notebook. Now just I assume that I'm showing you these blocks. It will display like this in front of you. These are the categories of blocks, and each category having number of different purpose of blocks. Okay, so there are different types of category, and each category having different blocks. Now whenever this student want to learn, so whenever we are starting any program, then just we will click on event, and here is one block which I am dragging and dropping into the working area. So what it is showing, whenever you will click on the start or go, then whatever the program block attached with this, it will run. Now how to attach? Suppose I want to, this is Toby, that is one kind of sprite in the programming language, and Toby, especially kids will get interest into this where it is such kind of environment. Now suppose Toby want to give his introduction, then he can give like this. So there is one block that is known as a block category, that is known as Luke, and it is having different blocks. Out of that I am taking this very first block that is known as say, and then I will attach here. See, whenever I will click on this, now see, here is the action is there. Toby spoke hello, and it is T for 2 seconds. Now suppose again I want to add one more sentence like how are you. Again I'm running, then see, now Toby is speaking 2 sentences, hello, how are you. Suppose one more sentence I want to take, then I am taking here and I am writing here, my name is Toby, what about you. Now see, this is like this. What it is doing, very first step, say means this Toby will speak. Instead of speaking, it is showing that what the message is there. So Toby is giving a message. Very first message is hello, then second message is how are you, and third message is what, my name is Toby and what about you. So this is a little bit small introduction and very basic program for kids. After that you have to save this program, and for saving you have to click just like other software. Now as I told you, we will click on file and then save. Then it is asking for the name of file. So whatever the name you want to give, you can give the name of file. For example, I am giving here my first program and then save. Like this, I hope everyone enjoy this software and try to learn more and try to teach more to new kids. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.